Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z6703A. Only 27,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver topaz metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, along with power outlet. Not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded 8-speaker Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges, again only 27,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, along with economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles per gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread life. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6703A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.